Hello.
Hi. Swedish biologists are really interested in white-backed woodpeckers. And
Oh.
yesterday the others saw one here. So today we went here, but now the others have had it on Ponca,
Ah.
the other side.
So you
now
didn't see yesterday, you didn't see today? You, personally?
Exactly.
Uh-huh.
So now we have to run back.
Hi.
Hey.
Hello, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. A nice way to bird watching, looking for a white-backed woodpecker.
Yes.
Jag har massa pengar med mig nu, ska vi ta och deala eller?
Okej. Ja, har du...
Ja, just det.
Ja, men det tar inte så lång tid i och för sig. Men
Jag
har
har...
du 160?
Jag har 120.
So how was your trip?
Very good.
Now back to Sweden.
Now back to the woodpecker.
Uh-huh. In Punta.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks.